Chapter 1, Lesson 2. Essential question. How does the position of a digit in a number relate to the value? We are going to compare numbers using smaller than, bigger than, and equal. Now, girls, remember, when we do smaller than, bigger than, and equal, we use the crocodile mouth. The crocodile mouth, let's put some teeth in there, because the crocodile likes to eat. Now, if a crocodile eats, he likes to eat the big animal. It doesn't like to eat the small animal. So it prefer to eat the big one. It will always eat the big number. So if we think about it, this must always be open to the big number. This side must always show it's closed to the small number, because the crocodile eat the big number. Right, let's have a look. This is greater than or bigger than. This one is less than or smaller than. And this one is equal. Let's have a look at example 1. In example 1, we have the Atlantic Ocean. The approximate area is 33,420,160. The Pacific Ocean is 64,186,600. Now, let's put that on a place value chart. Remember, we start at the ones. Let's put a 0, 6, 1, 0, 2, 4, 3, 3. And the next number, 0, 0, 6, 6, 8, 1, 4, 6. Let me just fix that 6. That 6 look funny. 6. Right. Now, begin at the greatest place and compare the digits. So we are going to use the biggest number, the last one, this one, the 3 and the 6. 6 and 3. Now, is 6 bigger or smaller than 3? 6 is bigger, so the open mouth of the crocodile must go with a 6. 6 is bigger than 3. Since 6 is bigger, or you can say greater, than 3, then 64,186,600 33,600 is bigger than 33,420,160. So if we looked at this and we can see one is bigger than the other one, then we don't have to look at the rest over there. We only look at this. So the Pacific Ocean has a greater area. So the Pacific Ocean is the biggest area. Let's have a look at sample 2. We have Saudi with an area, square kilometers, of 2,149,690. Australia is 4,776,362. India is 2,042,802, and United Arab Emirates is 83,600. The first thing that we have to do is we have to put them exactly under each other. All the ones must be under each other. All the tens, all the hundreds, all the thousands, all the 10,000s, the 100,000s, and the millions. All of them must be under each other. Line up the ones place. Compare the digits in the greatest area. So again, we are going to compare these digits. 2, 4, 2. Which one is the biggest? 4 is bigger than 2. So 4,776,362 has the greatest area. Now, if we have a look there, it is Australia has the greatest area. Can you see that? So you can put that in there, or you can put Australia has the greatest area. Now, after we have done the first one, now we need to find out which one is second. We go to the 100,000. Wait, let me do it in another color. We're going to the 100,000. We have a 1, a 7, and a 0. 1 and a 7. No, we're not using this one because we finished with this one. Okay, so we are using a 1 and a 0. 1 and a 0, 1 is bigger than the 0. So this one was number 1. So if this one is bigger than this one will be number 2, the second biggest. Now, 2,100,000 49,690 is which area? This is Saudi Arabia. So let's write in there Saudi. So Saudi has the next greatest area. So Saudi is second. Let's have a look at the third one. Now, this one will be the third one because this one does not have 100,000. So which one is this one? It is India. So India will be the third one. India is the third biggest. The order, no, there. Since 2,042,802 is bigger than 83,600. The area of India is greater than the area of United Arab Emirates. Right. The order from greatest area to the least. Area is Australia, Saudi, India, and United Arab Emirates. Again, you have to look 6 and a 5, so this one will be bigger. 10 and a 10, 0 and a 2, so this one will be bigger. With this one, you have to write everything underneath each other. So if you write everything underneath each other, then you can have a look. There is 1, 1, 1, 1. 4, 5, 4, 5. So we are going to look at 5. Next one, 4, and after this 5 and 9. So this one is the highest. This one will be number 1. This one will be number 2. Now we have a look at 0, 0, 9 and a 0. So this one is number 3. And this one will be number 4. Now you just have to write it here from the greatest to the least. Now it is time to do independent work. Put in the biggest or the smallest or equal, and down here you have to put it from greatest, biggest, to least, smallest. The homework is exactly the same. First you put in the symbol for bigger, smaller, or equal, and then you write these numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Remember to write them underneath each other, and then you find the biggest one to the smallest.